unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Algebra laws, often referred to as the laws of algebra, form the foundation of solving algebraic expressions and equations. They include properties of operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Key laws include the commutative law. Changing the order of the numbers doesn't affect the sum or product. Associative law. Changing the grouping of numbers doesn't affect the sum or product. Distributive law. Distributing multiplication over addition or subtraction. And the identity and inverse law, pertaining to the identity and inverse properties of numbers. Understanding these laws is crucial for solving algebraic problems efficiently.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.